Hello, it's Kathy here. You know what? December and January are most of the time moments where, together with my clients, we sit down and set goals for the coming year. But around February, this kind of approach of energy towards the goals is weakening a bit. That's why I would like to invite you for the short information about how to take a look and once again reset your goals in a smart way. This time of the year, most of managers and companies are passing on the information to you about what are your goals for the coming year. That is also an amazing and a good moment to come back to those January New Year's resolutions and goals that you would like to achieve for this year, and take a look if they really were taken in a smart way, if you really put your efforts to write down this in the good way so you can actually achieve them. As much as I know that most of you probably know exactly what smart setting goals is, I think it would be good to have a bit of the refreshment on that. Specify your goals as much as you can. Give it details like when it's going to happen, how it's going to happen, what would be exactly about that. Instead of saying, I will lose weight, put the exact amount of kilos that you would like to lose. Or even put the exact weight you would like to have in the end of the weight losing process. Be as specific as you can. If it's finding the new job, describe this new job. What is the job about? What kind of people you'll be working with? How would the office look like? All those things that makes it very, very detailed and specific. So, specify your goal as much as you can. Measurable is all about when you will know that this goal is actually reached. What is the amount, the specific measure that you can apply to it? So, if it's about, I would like to have a job that pays well, what is the exact amount of euros, dollars, or whatever other currency that you would see on your bank account and you will say, yes, that's the job. That's the job, I've reached my goal because I'm paid well. So, with any other type of goals, think about measures that will confirm the fact that the goal is achieved. Who is empowered to achieve the goal? Is it achievable for you? Do you need support from others? Think again about not only the goal itself, but about the steps that go towards this. What kind of things you need to have to achieve it. The achievability of goals is something that makes the goal really a road. Actually, simple roads to come to be successful and have the goal, have the thing happen for you. Relevance of the goal is another important part. Is it actually interconnected with what you want to have in your life? Is it interconnected with your business? Is it interconnected with your own self and your own values? Is it relevant for you to really have it? Each of the goals will not going to happen if we're not going to put deadline on it. So it might be the end of the year, if it's your company goal and you're thinking, yeah, I can deal with that during a year and have it just measured on my next appraisal. But if it's your personal goal, or your own business goal? What is the time frame? What is the time when you would like to achieve it? If you say, I would love to have amazing clients and earn plenty of money, that's all great. But when would you like to have it? Is it next month already, or do you give yourself a bit more time, like let's say June? Think about the time measurements. What I would like to encourage you to do right now is to take a look on your personal goals, your business goals, and the goals that you are set in your company. And think about if they are smart enough for you to achieve it. If not, it's not too late to give it a bit of a tweak and change it to be smart. Okay, time to reset, and good luck. This time, most of companies this time, first of all, it means to set goals which are specific.